Okay, so we're doing great so far. We've got images on our website and we can control the size of those images. And we can control them dynamically, which means when somebody resizes the page, the image changes size. I'm going to show you another way to get a picture onto your website without having to download it. What is this magic, you say? Well, let's see. Let's get rid of this because we're not going to need this. Just reorganize my page just a little bit. Let's do a search. Instagram influencer. There we go. And yep, obviously I misspelt it. We will go here and we'll see if we can find a suitable image that we could use as an example. Okay, looking through. Have you noticed how most Instagram influencers seem to be female? Let's go for that one. Okay, so we're going to put this on as an example. It includes a screenshot, obviously, of the phone. So we'll click on the image and it should take us to the website where the original image is. Find it, there it is. Okay, now we don't want all of this, we just want this image here. So we're going to right click and we are going to copy the image address. Now at this point, I normally like to check that it is the image. So up here, paste, and it has got a JPEG extension, so hit return, and there's the picture on its own. Genius. So what we can do, we can leave that up there for a second. I am going to take this one away because I don't want two pictures there. And I'm going to put it in before the final paragraph. So we start our image tag as normal. Source equals speech marks. Now inside the speech marks, if I press Ctrl and V, it puts the path to that picture. Alt equals, and so look, we'll go fashion Instagram influencer and close the bracket. Let's just make this a little bit wider so we can see everything. Okay, so it's exactly the same as what we did before, but the path, instead of it being a local file here, so one on our computer, it is now one that's found on the internet at https://www.hallominternet.com in a folder called assets, and then there's a picture. So let's just save that. Go back to my website, refresh, and there it is. It's a little bit big, so we can do what we did before. Width equals, now, didn't show you this before, you don't have to put both the width and the height in. It does help, because when your page loads, it means the web page knows the precise size of that image and therefore it doesn't flicker about while it's trying to load. But you don't need to do that. If I do it so it's 200 pixels wide, and I save that, refresh, and there we go. We've shrunk our image. Okay, have a go. Now, in terms of copyright, it's probably a grey area. Technically, you haven't downloaded this picture to your computer. All you've done is link to a picture that's online somewhere else. I don't think it's entirely correct, but it is another way of getting pictures onto your website. Right, give it a try. Try and get 2 or 3 pictures that are already online somewhere and get them onto your webpage.